Good day, and I hope you're well. So for this video, I'm actually going to discuss or give you a tutorial for the beginners on especially those are willing to actually planning to run a business using ERPNext. So if you are confused on which platform which platform you're going to use for business management, I'm going to show you a step-by-step procedure or the overview and step-by-step procedures and for beginners on this video on how to use ERPNext. Okay, so ERPNext is actually a very um, a broad and very delicate and very informative and that can actually help you on your business. So before we start on the step-by-step and tutorial, I'm going to actually just introduce you on what is ERP Next, what is the purpose, and what are the few key features on the ERP Next. Okay, so let's go ahead. So ERP Next, from the word ERP, it actually stands for Enterprise um, Resource Planning. So ERP, right? It is actually an open source software that is designed to manage and streamline various business processes within an organization. So it actually gives you a comprehensive suite of applications to integrate and manage core business functions. So when you say core business functions, you have accounting, human resources, inventory management, project management, and more. So let's talk about what is actually the purpose or what does the ERP Next can actually help you towards your business. So the ERP Next purpose is actually to help organizations or your business to improve efficiency, enhance collaboration, and gain better insights into your business processes. Okay, so it aims to provide a centralized platform where different departments can access and share informations in real time and reducing silos and actually improving the overall activity and productivity of your business or even your project. So ERP Next is particularly well suited for small and medium sized enterprises and due to its user-friendly interface and affordability. Okay, so let's talk about the key features of ERP Next. Of course, we have the modularity. ERP Next allows you to choose and implement only the modules that are relevant to your business processes. So this makes it more customizable and scalable based on the specific needs of your organizations. Okay. The next one is we have the integrated application. So ERP Next actually offers a wide range of integrated applications covering various aspects of business operation. So it's not just about project management. And ERP Next just does not only offers you a project management, inventory management, or human resources, but also a CRM and more, and actually human resources and actually more. No, when you say CRM, you have customer relationship management, where you can communicate with your clients. Okay, so and lastly, of course, you don't have to if you don't have any technical expertise or using or you're not really oriented on how to use such a complex datas and datas and instructions. You don't worry. Don't worry. ERP Next is actually giving you a user-friendly interface. This actually making it more accessible for you with varying levels of technical expertise. This actually helps you in quicker adoption and reduces the learning curve for users or for you. So that's it. No, so you don't have to be an IT here. You just have because in the ERP Next, they can actually show you on what how to use and what are the instructions on each features. Okay, so let's get started by clicking the get started button. Actually, before that, you can go ahead and go to your browser and type ERPNext.com. Okay, so once you're done, you can actually see some features and what are um, the providers and the services that can, ERPNext offer to you. We have financial accounting, management, order management, HR, manufacturing, CRM, just like in the key features, help desk, asset management, and even a website. Okay, so let's get started by clicking the get started. So in this next page, you will have a choose the right plan for you. We have the $50 per month for a small business and an enterprise, which is a custom. So in a small business plan, you will have unlimited users, managed hosting, and even product warranty. However, in custom plan, you will have unlimited users, managed hosting, product warranty, and account manager, priority SLA, phone support, and even large database support. So let's go ahead and start the free trial on which is I am a small business. So um, if you can see here in the next page, you will see a site name where the name of your company. You're just going to type your own name company on this page, and first name of you, last name, country which is I am from Philippines, and email address and your password. However, if you are not comfortable on signing this and you're not comfortable on using your other email, or you don't using your you not or you don't have any email address, you can actually sign up using your Google account. And so after you sign into your Google account, you will actually go here in the ERP Next, where you have to cite your company name. Of course, since you didn't since you signed your Google account, you will still have to provide your company name. Okay, so in here we have the first site. We have the site name. However, there are times that the company names are already provided and are already provided or are not available. So you have to provide a unique company name for your business. Okay, and of course, in the next bar, we have a country. Which country are you in? And you will have to check the checkbox. By clicking create account, you have to accept the terms and services, privacy policy, and even the cookie policy. Okay, so after that, you will have to get to this part where you have to set up your account. You will have to provide your full name, your email address. For your email address, since you are using Google account, you can also use Google account. And lastly, you will have to provide a strong password. And then your next, and then the next one is that you will the ARP Next will have to set up your system. It will actually take time on providing the next step. However, after that, you will go here on the main page of the ERP Next. So just like I said before, it is actually a friendly user interface. You don't have to worry about having a technical expertise. You don't have to ask for an IT. So you will in this part here, you will have an awesome bar or a or a search bar where it helps you to navigate anywhere in the system, find documents, report settings, and create new records and more. So let's click next on that, and you will see and you will see here in the navigation, or in the left navigation, you will see here a workspace list. Okay, so each module workspace provides us insightful information and shortcuts on one page. So there's also a tip: you can build custom workspace for your needs. So you can actually edit this one by you can edit this one for your convenience. Okay, so you have home, accounting. I think there is a child here, which is the assets, buying, selling, stock, manufacturing, and CRM, and more. So let's go ahead and type next. I'll click next, and let's go to click to visit the workspace. Let's go ahead and click the users. Okay, so in this part, you can actually see here the data or the uh, we have the role, we have the permissions, we have the logs, or the users, and more. So you can actually I can actually create a new user, an activity log, user activity log, and the permissions of that specific user. So, okay, so let's go ahead and click on user shortcut. So you will see here that I already have my own name here provided is a user list. So you can actually create or you can actually add the user here in the add user button, and then you just and with yes, just like a database, you will have to just have to search their name or their ID for for a little or for a shortcut, so you don't have to completely provide their ID, their full name, their username or user type. You just have to you just have to provide one specific bar here. Okay, so I can also have filters on what kind of now what type of user type are there, their full name or even their ID. So how about let's go ahead and click a email here. I will just use my other email, which is here. As for this, let's just go with that. As for this is actually for a yeah, and then I'll just actually accidentally clicked it. Click okay. However, yes, this is however, you can see here that I am a website user. Okay, so yeah, you can see here you can provide, you can actually since this is actually, you can actually provide or edit some features here. You can edit the first name, middle name, the last name, roles and permission. You can add, you can select for example, I'm a support team, or and also as HR user, a project user, project manager, and more. So you can actually actually click decide on which role that user. Okay, so I think that's it. So let's go ahead and click save on this button here, and that will actually be applied. Okay, so let's go ahead and back on, and you'll see here that wait, I think, yeah, yes, okay, so let's go try to edit this one more time. I think it doesn't work. Let's go ahead. I think, oh yes, see, okay, user permission. Let's go ahead and click that. Oh, it's not. Okay. Yeah. In this permission, you can still user profile, role profile is the manufacturing, and then save that. So yeah, and then okay, that's it. No. So let's go ahead and try and go to the main again. So let's go ahead and try to go with our home, and you will see a create item, create customer, create your first sale invoice. Okay. Also, you'll have also other here, your shortcuts, reports and masters, and data import and settings. Okay. So let's go ahead and go to accounting and try to explore a lot here in the ERPNext. Okay. So let's set up your accounts and taxes. So you can set up your review charts accounts, setting up taxes, account settings, cost centers, create your first purchase, and updating opening balances and financial statements. So you can actually go ahead and do all and try to you're gonna go ahead and try to edit and customize or set up all of the important and necessary informations in your business. So let's go ahead and go into buying. So so let's go ahead and go here and see that there are buying settings, In the buying settings, you can have features are highly configurable as per your business needs. Track mail, also known as purchase request, an indent is a document type identifying or a requirement for a set of the items for various purposes like procurement, transfer, issue, or manufacturing. So, there. So you can create your first purchase order. In ERPNext, purchase order can be created against a purchase material request and supplier quotation as well. So, yes, you can go ahead and see that there are a lot of things and there are a lot of offers here in the our services in the ERPNext. So, for the user-friendly interface, I think it's a 10 out of 10 because it has a lot of because aside from its UI, they can actually provide a descriptions on each of the categories. So you don't have so that's actually a very advantage for you to actually manage your business. So let's go ahead and try to go to projects. So you can actually open a projects here by clicking a create a workspace. And yeah, so yeah, also you have here the reports and masters. So you will have customer supports. I've customer supports, users again in the users. I think I already showed you how. So you can actually have a introduction to website, create a blog, add blog category, enable website tracking, and learn about web pages. So you can actually create here a website on your own, which is actually a big advantage as for business because you don't need to hire a IT for you to create a website, but rather you can actually create your website on your own and your own preferences. So you'll also have here a customer relationship management, which is you can actually create a clients and more. We have the tools. We have the ERPNext settings here. You can go ahead and set system settings and click system settings, and there are more securities for a stronger shield on your data. Okay, so let's go ahead and exit. We have account settings, stock settings, selling settings, print settings, and more. So let's go ahead and integration. Okay, so okay, okay, yes, you can actually browse apps, change. You can actually go ahead and browse applications that is actually on for the fit of your business or what is actually required in your business. So we have here a compliance, proper LMS, e-commerce integrations, help desk, and there are a lot of applications a lot of applications and services that I can actually provide for you in order for you to actually improve your business. Okay, so I think for this video that is all for this tutorial, and I hope you learn a lot about descriptions and what are about the CRMs and a lot and more. So you can actually go here and visit Nexus in the ERPNext.com and create your own company. Okay, so there are a lot of things here. You can actually you can go here in the help setting or help icon and go for a proper school, report an issue, documentations, and more. So I hope this video gives you a learning and more knowledge on how to use ERPNext. If you have any questions, feel free to ask questions. And yeah, that is all for this video. Thank you for watching and good day.